take anything.
Yeah. A ver, tres.
Hi guys.
Det finder du ud af.
Hvad?
Ja, det finder du ud af. Altså.
So one of the main things with this facility is for education to the local area. Schools can come out here when they schedule it correctly and bring kids to learn the actual life cycle of a butterfly. You guys might have read The Hungry Hungry Caterpillar when you were younger in the book, or just had more of basis in Western education about caterpillars because it's so general with entomology and how insects develop. Here they don't. It's usually word of mouth. They don't even get the science class behind the development of it, and they're taught that something like this with colors is automatically poisonous. It can harm you, kill it. They're worms. They don't understand that these turn into butterflies. And so she really eats, but they also eat insects also.
Right here, right here. How is that possible? It's so dirty. Is this where it's deepest? Is this where it's deepest here?
Yeah, it's a little bit deep. You could be like a mouse on the tire river.